So hello guys, how are you? So we figured out that in our bike, the Street Triple 765, you have to have an H4 bulb. Say hello to Tiri. She's here to check things out whether they're right or not. So Tiri, you're gonna just sit down here for a while, like chill. Yeah, chill. Are you okay? Did you have your medicines? Okay, no, she's okay. Okay, so moving back. So this is the H4 Ultinon Pro 9000. HL is, I think, high luminosity or something. And this is 2% to 250% brighter than what, I don't know. It's a cool white light. The bulb looks something like this. Let us open it. Do you want to help? So okay, so I've opened it. This is it slides off. This is just a branding this thing. Let's also see what's spaces. Gurgaon City, choice of major car manufacturers. So they're saying that it is designed for rally and race tracks. The two words which we really like. Rally and race tracks, very nice. So they're saying standard इतना ही देती है, and then up to 250%. It's also bulb easier to fit in headlamp. It has a easy installation process. The intensity of the light is 5800 K, which is not blue, but it's slightly on the whitish side. Lifetime they're saying 15,000 hours. Lumileds top contact LED. They're saying exclusive automotive grade LED, high flux output. So हाँ, काफ़ी performance oriented language तो लिखी हुई है. I don't know how it will reciprocate on the bike. So let's see what the bulb is like. This is what the bulb looks like. The ballasts are hidden inside. So there is nothing much to it. This is it. This is it. You're not supposed to touch on the LED, so I'm not touching on the LED. There is a installation guide or something. There is. Okay, this is nice. So H4 and H7, they're saying first basically install the ring and then basically twist and put it in. Yeah, that's what they're saying. They're basically saying install the ring first, close it, and then put the bulb inside and then set it up and connect the connector. This looks like a decent thing. H3, H1. What we will do is we will download the instructions if there are any more instructions in this. Relatively it should be a plug and play process, but let's go to the basement and figure out how this thing is gonna install and look and feel and perform. So off to the basement. So guys, a closer look at the bulb. These are the thimbles and the LED thimbles. This is the casing. This pops out. ये वाला जो चीज़ है ये it revolves and gets out, so you can find a fitment. आप यहाँ पे इसको attachment वगैरह देख सकते हैं इधर. And then there is a cooling fan at the back. I don't know how effective this will be, but manufacturers have started using these cooling fans, and then this is the whole heat sink parameter, which is looking nice to look at, but I don't know ये क्या performance होगा. Will it also fit in the housing that I have? So all those questions actually नीचे जाके ही पता लगेगा. Let's check it out.